Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. Today we are diving 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni has long been an iconic presence on Indian roads, known for its practicality and versatility. In 2025, Maruti Suzuki has reintroduced this classic van with significant updates, blending nostalgia with modernity. Design and exterior. The 2025 Omni retains its recognizable boxy silhouette, a design choice that maximizes interior space. However, it now features contemporary touches such as sleek headlamps, a redesigned front grille, and subtle character lines along the sides, giving it a refreshed yet familiar appearance. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Omni has undergone a substantial transformation. The cabin is more spacious, accommodating up to 8 passengers comfortably. The dashboard layout is modern, featuring a user-friendly infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Quality materials have been used throughout, enhancing the overall feel of the interior. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni is equipped with a refined 1.0-liter petrol engine, delivering adequate power for city commutes and highway drives. The engine is mated to a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Safety features. Maruti Suzuki has prioritized safety in this iteration. The Omni now comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure, aligning with current safety standards. Driving experience. On the road, the Omni offers a comfortable ride with improved suspension tuning that absorbs road imperfections effectively. The steering is light, making maneuvering through city traffic effortless. While not a performance vehicle, the Omni provides a dependable and predictable driving experience suitable for families and small businesses. Conclusion. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni successfully bridges the gap between its storied past and the demands of modern consumers. It maintains the practicality and reliability that made it a household name, now enhanced with contemporary features and improved safety. For those seeking a versatile and affordable van, the new Omni presents a compelling choice. For a more in-depth look, check out this detailed review.